Hi everyone, welcome back for another crypto trade episode. In this video, I will show you how to set this quick and easy 5-minute scalping strategy that will allow you to invest your money and get high profits. This strategy works for crypto and Forex. I'm using 5-minute time frame on Ethereum USDT. Just watch this video until the end to learn how to use these great Tradingview indicators and thus get an extra income. Stay tuned to the channel by subscribing and activating notifications. You will be immediately notified every single time I post a new video. To add the first indicator to the chart, open the indicator search bar in Tradingview and type Extreme Trend. Select the indicator as shown in the video. Click on Settings and in Style tab unselect 200 EMA checkbox. Click OK to finish. Thanks to these very smart indicators, you can follow the market trend and find high probability trade entries to maximize profits. I will use the Extreme Trend indicator to show the best points to enter the market. I will use the WADDAH ATTAR Explosion indicator to confirm whether the signal is valid or not. Have you already smashed the like button? Doing that helps a lot in the growth of the channel. For a buy order, the Extreme Trend indicator must give an entry signal with a blue triangle and the candle must be green at the same time. WADDAH ATTAR Explosion indicator must be green and the bar must be above the white line. If these conditions are met, place a buy order at the closing of the candle. Place the stop loss below the nearest swing low. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 1.5. I hope you have understood the buying strategy. For a sell order, the Extreme Trend indicator must give an entry signal with an orange triangle and the candle must be red at the same time. WADDAH ATTAR Explosion indicator must be red and the bar is above the white line. If these conditions are met, place a sell order at the closing of the candle. Place the stop loss above the nearest swing high. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 1.5. I hope you have understood the selling strategy. How to turn your trading rules into good habits. In trading, greed can sometimes get the best of you. In your journey to be a consistently profitable trader, the urge to bag those extra pips can be too irresistible. As a result, you sometimes force your trades. Instead of being patient by waiting for the best setups and letting the market come to you, force a trade. Fortunately, there is a way to overcome these destructive urges. It requires discipline and dedication in the beginning, but it definitely pays off in the end. A way to get over the impulse of forcing trades is by making your trading rules your habits. Just like how your mom made you put your dirty clothes in the laundry basket to keep your room clean, you start forming good habits by consciously repeating an action. Whether it's by saying no to that second donut, going to the gym twice a week, or something as simple as eating breakfast in the morning, habits start with deliberate repetition until the act becomes a part of you that you no longer need to be reminded of the rules. Here are a few things you can do to help turn your trading rules into habits. Make a list of rules and write them down. The first thing you should do is to make a list of trading rules. These rules will govern how you trade, where you will enter, exit, and how much you will risk. It also isn't enough to just have these rules in your head. You should write them down on a trading journal. Writing down your rules solidifies and reinforces them as you will always be reminded what they are. Visualize different scenarios. Imagine that you have an open position. Think of all the different price action scenarios you could encounter and imagine how you would adjust your position in these situations. Visualize yourself following your rules. The more you practice and repeat this process, the more natural it becomes for you to follow your rules and turn them into habits in a real trade. Review your trading. At the end of each trading day, take some time to review your trading. Ask yourself, did I follow all my trading rules? Grade yourself and make it a point to work on your weaknesses. I will now show some examples of buy and sell orders. Extreme Trend indicator gives an entry signal with a blue triangle and the candle is green at the same time. WADDAH ATTAR Explosion indicator is green and the bar is above the white line. As these conditions are met, place a buy order at the closing of the candle. Place the stop loss below the nearest swing low. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 1.5. The market has reached the target and the trade has been successfully closed. Let's look for the next trade. Extreme trend indicator gives an entry signal with an orange triangle and the candle is red at the same time. WADDAH ATTAR explosion indicator is red and the bar is above the white line. As these conditions are met, place a sell order at the closing of the candle. Place the stop loss above the nearest swing high. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 1.5. The market has reached the target and the trade has been closed with profit. As you can see, this strategy is quite simple to follow, but very profitable. If you are interested in having very positive results, use this proposed strategy. Test it and leave your opinion and results below in the comments. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications. This helps a lot in the growth of the channel. If you have any indicator or strategy that you want to see analyzed, leave your idea in the comments with the name of the indicators so I can study and analyze them. If it is interesting, I will produce a video with it. I will read all the suggestions you post. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching it until the end. See you next time.